everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Shreya and today I have come up with a new cooking video. So today it's all going to be about the veg cheese lollipops. The method is really basic and it's very short, quick and tasty. Definitely it's going to be one of the best options for your breakfast, but if you're organizing a party or get together, then it's going to be your savior. You can serve it as a starter. And second thing, all the ingredients are so basic and will be easily available. So let's head on to the cooking. So here I have the boiled and smashed potatoes. Add grated carrot. Add chopped onions. Chopped green capsicum. Here we have the grated cheese. Now these are the breadcrumbs. You can take 3 to 4 slices of bread and grind it in the mixture so that your breadcrumbs are ready. Add 3 to 4 spoons of breadcrumbs. Add white flour or maida. Salt, red chili powder, Maggi powder. Instead of Maggi powder, you can add any flavored spice of your choice. Then add green chili sauce, half a tablespoon of vinegar, and mix it well. Knead the mixture so that all the ingredients bind well. Grease your hands with oil so that the mixture don't stick to your hands, and make small balls out of it. When the balls are ready, we will be making the cornflour and white flour slurry. For this, you need to take about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cornflour and add white flour or maida to it. Take 2 to 3 spoons of white flour and add water to it. There should be no lumps in the slurry. Now dip the ball in slurry. After that, coat it with the breadcrumbs. Make sure that all the sides are covered well. Repeat the same method for all the balls. For frying, you need to cook them at a high flame first and then at a medium flame. Fry the balls till they are slightly brown in color. The balls are slightly brown. Soak out the excess oil from them. Our crispy balls are ready. For garnishing them, you can use the toothpicks. And finally, our veg cheese lollipops are ready. So I hope this video would be helpful to you. If you enjoyed my video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel.